Meaning of inadequately.
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 Inadequately. The word inadequately refers to something that is not sufficient or satisfactory in meeting a particular requirement or standard. When something is done inadequately, it means that it was not done properly or completely enough to achieve the intended purpose. This can lead to subpar results, inefficient performance, and negative consequences. Inadequate work can result in lower quality, wasted resources, missed opportunities, and other negative outcomes. Therefore, it's important to ensure that tasks are done adequately to ensure the best possible results.